In this video, we will present industrial projects in which logistics issues have been solved and operational efficiency increased through the use of AI-powered systems. Case 1 involves a nationwide cold chain supplier. Main issues involved temperature monitoring and its effect on quality control. Food temperature requirements varied between products, and loss of temperature control quickly led to high material losses. An AI-powered temperature traceability platform resolves these issues. IoT-enabled sensors coupled with dashboards deliver real-time monitoring across storage and transport. Instant alerting via SMS, email, or SCADA is combined with traceability and audit trails using technologies like GPS and RFID. Case 2 involves 3 regional logistics companies whose inefficiencies were driven by manual scheduling, navigation, and capacity planning. Lack of real-time customer tools caused missed deliveries and reduced last-mile efficiency. These issues were resolved using AI-powered route optimization combined with an AI voice assistant. Route optimization saved 30% of time in scheduling, allowing dispatchers to focus on exceptions or high-value tasks. These optimizations saved approximately $10,000 per employee. At the same time, these optimizations helped companies handle more deliveries per shift. Case 3 involves 5 general merchandise wholesalers. Again, lack of real-time data and analytics reduced shipment efficiency. Low investment in advanced cold chain storage led to product spoilage and waste. Manual planning prevented dynamic route rescheduling. A smart logistics platform uses AI and real-time data to resolve these inefficiencies. Digital twin simulations aid in improving routing, asset utilization, and resource allocation. Integrated IoT, EDI, and GPS telemetry enhance cargo traceability and fleet flexibility. Case 4 involves 11 e-commerce stores delivering 200,000 parcels daily. These businesses rely heavily on last-mile logistics but suffer from a 10% redelivery rate and urban parking difficulties. An intelligent pickup platform with route optimization and predictive maintenance was developed. IoT-enabled lockers reduce reliance on last-mile delivery. This network of smart devices was secured with encryption. Dashboarding and predictive analytics provided dynamic route planning, scheduling, and load balancing to further improve last-mile efficiency.